Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to bead these gorgeous dangly earrings. Look at how beautiful this looks. These are so gorgeous earrings. So let's get started with the materials. So for this earring we will be needing 11 seed beads, 4 mm crystal Bicones, 4 mm pearls, earring hooks and jump rings. So pick up 2 Bicone and 2 pearls, thread it down all the way to the end and tie a secure knot. Come out to this Bicone over here. Okay, so you're coming out of this Bicone over here, and now I have picked up 2 11 seed beads, 2 Bicone and 1 pearl, and now we will pass our needle through this pearl over here, like so. Okay, pull your thread and skip the 2 11 seed beads that we have just added. Skip the 2 11's. Pass your needle down through this both the crystals and pass your needle down through this pearl as well. Now I have picked up 1 pearl and 2 Bicones. I'm coming out of this pearl over here. I will insert my needle on the opposite direction of the pearl and there you have your unit ready. If you look at it, it will form a shape of the 1 unit. Okay, now pick up 2 11's and pass your needle down through this pearl over here, and now pick up 2 Bicones and pass your needle through this pearl and skip this middle 11's and insert your needle into this pearl over here. So insert your needle diagonally like so. Pass your needle through this Bicone over here, and now pick up 1 11 and insert your needle into this Bicone and 2 11's like so. Okay, now what we will do is we will go around the unit and we will add the 11's. Okay, so in the corner I will be adding only 1 11 as I have added over here, and in this 4 sides we will add 2 11's like that we have added over here. Okay, so pass your needle through this 1 Bicone, pick up 1 11 and go through the next Bicone like so. Now pick up 2 11's and insert your needle into the next Bicone. Pick up 1 11, insert your needle into the next Bicone. Now pick up 2 11's and insert into the next Bicone. Pick up 1 11, go down through the last Bicone, pull your thread nice and tight. Now pick up 2 11's and pass your needle into this Bicone and 11's. Now we will embellish our top of the earring over here. So pass your needle through this bicone and 2 11 pick up 5 11 and insert your needle into this 2 11 over here. So we will add it like diagonally. Okay, so insert your needle through this 2 11. Make sure you don't pull your thread so tight, keep it a bit loose or a bit flowy if I say. Pick up next 5 11 and pass your needle through this 2 11 over here. Okay, pick up 5 11 and insert your needle into this 2 11 over here. Pick up 5 11 and insert your needle through this 2 11 like so. Because it's a dangler earring, so I would say that repeat this same process on the back as well, so your earrings looks much prettier and the finish looks very professional as well. So picked up 5 11 insert your needle, and I have insert my needle diagonally. There you have it. Pick up 5 11 and insert your needle into the next 2 11 over here. Okay, so repeat this process 2 more times and I will meet you at the end of the process. So I'm done adding my 5 11 embellishment on the both side of the unit over here. Now come top at this 11 over here, so pass your needle through this bicone and 11. So for the next process of creating our hanging for this unit, I'm gonna use 11 along with this 3 mm Bicones. If you don't have 3 mm Bicone, you can still use the 4 mm Bicones. It's completely fine. Yeah. So here I have picked up 3 11 1 Bicone, 3 11 1 Bicone, and 4 11. Pass it down, and to create a look for our ear hook, we will pass our needle back through this all 4 11 like so. This will create a loop for our ear hook. Now go back through this bicone over here, pull your thread. Now I have picked up 3 11 1 bicone and 3 11. Now pass your needle through this 11. Okay, so that's how our hanging for our earring unit is ready. And so pass down your needle through the couple of threads and cut the excess thread, and I will see you for the next process. So insert into loop and attach the ear hook, and so that's our earring ready.